Do you wake up feeling exhausted? Even after a full night's sleep? You're not alone. Many people struggle with morning fatigue. And today, we're breaking down the causes and how to fix it. Morning fatigue isn't just about sleep duration. It's often caused by deeper issues that disrupt your body's natural rhythm. Here are the top reasons why you might be feeling this way. Have you ever hit the snooze button and felt even worse when you woke up? That's called sleep inertia. Your brain is still in sleep mode, making you feel groggy and disoriented. You might be getting enough hours, but if your sleep quality is low, your body isn't resting properly. Common causes of poor sleep: caffeine late at night, screen time before bed, hot or noisy sleep environment, inconsistent bedtime. If you wake up tired no matter how much you sleep, you might have an undiagnosed sleep disorder. Common sleep disorders: sleep apnea, breathing stops during sleep, restless leg syndrome, uncontrollable leg movements. If exhaustion is constant, see a doctor. Low levels of key vitamins and minerals can leave you feeling drained. Even after a full night's sleep, key nutrients that affect energy: iron prevents fatigue and weakness. Vitamin D boosts mood and energy. Vitamin B12 supports brain function. Get a blood test. Eat nutrient-rich foods. I would think more sleep would mean more energy, right? But sleeping longer than 9 to 10 hours can actually make you feel worse. The way you wake up can determine how you feel the entire day. If your morning is sluggish, your body stays in low energy mode. Better wake-up habits: open curtains immediately. Sunlight helps wake you up. Get out of bed fast. Staying in bed too long makes it harder to wake up. Drink water. Dehydration causes morning fatigue. Do light stretching. Increases blood flow and energy. Here's a simple 5-minute routine to wake up feeling refreshed. Minute 1. Hydrate. Drink a full glass of water. Minute 2. Sunlight. Open your curtains or go outside. Minute 3. Movement. Do light stretching or jumping jacks. Minute 4. Deep breathing. Inhale deeply for energy. Minute 5. Cold water. Splash your face to feel awake. Let's recap what we learned today. Avoid the snooze button. Improve sleep quality with better habits. Check for sleep disorders. If exhaustion is constant, eat nutrient-rich foods to support energy. Follow a structured morning routine. If you follow these steps, your mornings will start feeling a lot better. What's your biggest morning struggle? Comment below. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips.